Welcome back. In this module, we will cover the sampling process which will be carried out by the observer and FI in the sampled school on the survey day. You need to carry out both the section and student sampling prior to conducting the survey. Before starting the sampling, please ensure to collect the attendance register from the school head or class in charge for the grade being surveyed. For the NA student sampling, there are different scenarios and these have been explained next. Scenario 1. You report to school for the survey and for the grade in which the survey needs to be conducted. There is only a single section for the same. For example, in XYZ public school, for grade 3 survey, there is only one section, section A. Now in section A, if there are 30 or less than 30 students, then the survey will be conducted with all these students present. Update the control sheet accordingly with help of the student attendance register. This closes scenario 1. In scenario 2, let's assume XYZ public school for grade 3 survey has 5 sections. Then how to select which section to do the survey in? In this case, write the name of the sections A, B, C, D and E on chits of paper. Shuffle them and then randomly draw a chit. If say section B is drawn in chit, then section B is selected for the survey. Now at this point, check how many students are there in section B. In case there are exactly 30 students, then the survey will be conducted with these 30 students. But if there are less than 30 students, for example, section B has 25 students, then what will we do? As we have other sections, A, C, D, E, we will repeat the chit and draw method and get another section. For example, section C. And from this section, we will randomly pick 5 students to fill the gap. That is, 30 minus 25 is equal to 5. Update the control sheet accordingly with help of the student attendance register. Please note that the maximum students that can be surveyed as part of NAS for a given grade in a given school is 30. Scenario 3. Last but not the least. There is third scenario where after selecting the section, either in single section school or multi-section school, we end up with more than 30 students. Let's assume in XYZ public school, the section that is being surveyed has 50 students. In such a case, we will perform the following steps. In such situations, we need to calculate something what is called a sampling interval. Let's denote that with M. To calculate M, divide the total number of students in section with 30. So, in case of XYZ public school with 50 students in a section, divide 50 by 30 and you will get 1.6. Round off this number to the nearest integer, that is 2. So, M is equal to 2. Next, write down roll numbers of students on different chits folded alike. So, roll number 1 to 50 are written on different chits and one chit is drawn out at random. This will be the starting roll number for the survey of first survey student. Let this roll number be 32 in case of XYZ public school. Now refer to the attendance register you collected earlier and locate roll number 32. This student becomes the first sample student. Now using the sampling interval M, select every mth student, or in this case, every second student. So, 34, 36, 38 and so on till 30 students are complete. If the count crosses 50, you start again from 1 till 30 students are complete. In case any students are absent, skip those roll numbers and select the next mth roll number till a total of 30 students are selected. The first child selected after the sampling is complete will be assigned NAS ID 01 and so on. This is also the order in which these students should be seated. Update the control sheet accordingly with help of the student attendance register. With this, you have successfully completed your module for understanding sampling.